Hey everyone, what's up? It's been a very long time since I made my last video. Well, that's because I just moved into a university in the UK. Anyways, today we'll be doing a brand new unboxing of the puzzles which I've gotten. So I have received this package from Puzzlemaster. Some of you might be familiar with this website. This is a Canadian website which makes amazing metal puzzles. So I suppose there must be a few metal puzzles in this box. Needless to say, this video has been sponsored by Puzzlemaster. Do check out their website. They've got a variety of metal puzzles and are very cheaply priced. So let's get into the unboxing. So check it out guys, we got 5 metal puzzles. All of these look so cool. Each metal puzzle with a different level of difficulty. As you can see, this has a difficulty level of 2. This has a difficulty level 5. This says 7. This says 9. Wow, that'll be interesting to check out. And this says 8. That's interesting. Well, let's unbox them one by one. Okay, well, we have some nice packaging here. Okay, so this is Hana Yama. Let's check it out. Wow, these are different types of metal puzzles which Hana Yama offers, I guess. Oh, pretty cool. Whoa, wow, this is fabulous guys. Look at this. This is some really good quality metal. I really love the way they carved the deer out of the metal here with the horns going upwards. Okay, so the only thing I've got from this puzzle is that we are supposed to somehow get this longer piece through this place. Like this has to go through it, and these two, the meeting points of the horns, need to go along with them. This was cool. Let's jump to the next one. Wow. Okay, so I have no clue to how I'll be getting this out. This is supposed to be something like... It looks so simple because it's just something like a ring. Oh, nice. As you can see, I just got this thing through the... Let's try getting it to the other side. I think that's what we're supposed to do. Okay, I have no idea how to go beyond this. Okay, so this is the second metal puzzle. Let's jump to the next one. Here's where things get a little interesting. This metal puzzle is the phantom metal puzzle. Its objective is to take apart and put them together. So as you can see that the pieces look kind of like this. Let's open this up. Damn, that is good quality. So as you saw earlier, the puzzle was like this. And I successfully managed to, untangle all of these 3 pieces. And they're quite unique. So they have their own shapes. And trust me, it is not an easy puzzle. I literally have no idea of how to put it back. It's somewhat like this. Okay, so that's one step. And I think the other one would go like... Alright, I have got no clue. So this is quite a difficult puzzle, and I apologize for not being able to solve this back into its own shape. But I promise I'll be uploading a video later in which I'll be showing you how to solve this puzzle. So I'm sorry about that, and that is it with this puzzle. But I must tell you, this looks pretty cool. Alright, let's go to the next one. So here comes our next puzzle. This is the trick lock, difficulty level 7. The packaging is a little bad. Let's open it up. So this is our 4th puzzle. This is the trick lock. It's kind of a lock with a key, and I have no idea how this works. Wait, let's give this a try. Whoa, what? Oh, right. I see that this thing comes up and we're supposed to align it. If I leave it down, the hole gets blocked. So I think I'm supposed to pull it up and then insert the key. Is that how it works? Oh, okay, so the key's in. Great. Now what do I do? I can't seem to find a way to turn this key. What is this thing? Okay, I guess I need to find a solution for this too, because this is not an easy puzzle. The objective is to unlock this. The lock looks pretty legitimate actually. It's metal and this is quite loose, but I don't think that should be a problem. Well, one thing is clear, that you need to pull this up to make the key fit right in, but it doesn't seem to work after that. Well, the rod in the middle does have a hole in it, but I don't think the key will work if I put and try to turn it, because it's a straight rod and there's no way this is gonna turn this way. So I don't think the key is really useful here, but we gotta find another way of using this rod and unlocking the lock. But if you have a close look at it, this rod has two openings. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So if this lock is a connection all over here, there must be a way for this to go through the holes in the rod. So let's try it out. If I could keep it like this, and there you go. I was right, I think. Yep. So the one thing we know is the circle is just this big. There must be some other kind of mechanism which must be connected to this part. So that goes to the rod in the middle and that helps us unlock the lock. And that's how you lock it again. So this was pretty simple, I think. If you want to buy this, you can check out the link in the description. It's available on Puzzlemaster. It's a pretty cool puzzle. You can trick your friends with this. Well, I guess that's that with the fourth puzzle. Let's jump to the last one. So this is the last puzzle from Puzzlemaster and they call it the whale. Okay, this is one of the craziest puzzles I've seen by far. Well, the instructions manual says that I'm supposed to pull out the square piece, which is this one, outside first, and this one, this long piece after that. Let's give it a try. Ooh, well, I did manage to take this from there till here. Okay, this is rotting my brain. Well, this looks like quite a puzzle. Well, you should be knowing that only two pieces come out. One is the long piece and the other one is this. I think we need to separate this and this with the big one. So I think we'll have to first remove this one. And for doing that, we need to get this thing out of this loop. Let's try getting these two small loops through the one stuck over here. If you can see, that is separate from this entire thing. Alright. Okay, so now we have gotten this out of this loop. I think ooh, cool. So now we have successfully managed to get this through here. Cool! So we have gotten this out. There must be a way to get this out of here. We must be able to find something out of this. Oh, right, I got it. There you go. So that was the trick right there. I was supposed to put it through the circle and not away from the circle. So I think the way to put it back in would be the same, I guess. Oh yeah. And here I think I did find a way to get this thing untangled all over again. This solve was a pretty fun solve, and this is quite loose I think, but the quality is really good. So if you want to check out this puzzle, the link is in the description, so please feel free to check it out. But don't worry guys, soon, I promise, I'll be getting back to you guys with the solutions to all of these puzzles. So I guess that must be it with the last metal puzzle. So that's it for the video guys. These were the 5 metal puzzles Puzzlemaster sent to me just to make a video about it. And if any of you watching this video know the solution to any of these puzzles, please make a video of it, tag me in that video and post it on YouTube. And I'll make sure I give you a shout out. So these are the 5 puzzles: the trick lock, the jaguar, the butterfly, the phantom and the whale. I hope you enjoyed guys, and I sincerely apologize for not being able to upload any videos for the last 8 months I guess. Well, that was because I had a lot going on apart from YouTube. I just got into a university and I moved to the UK. So I hope you understand my situation guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a like. More amazing videos coming up. Also please leave a comment down below what you think I must be uploading next on my channel. And last but not the least, Happy New Year to all of you. This is my first video in 2019, so I hope this year goes as amazing as the last year went. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.